lightning just hit our house 2 days ago and killed our Lasco fan. I guess I'm pronouncing it right. My son seems to not be able to sleep without it. So Ollie's has a sale today for 25% off for members, so we picked this one up. Let's see what we got. Okay, I didn't know it came with a remote. That's awesome. It's storming outside. Hopefully we're gonna hit this one. All right. This is by Lifesmart. Like I said, I picked it up from Ollie's. They had their 25% sale today. Well, I guess on lawn and garden, 15% on everything else. So it was a good buy. Let's see and get this put up together. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. That's including the remote control. So I guess 9 if you include these pieces. Let me see if I'm going backwards. There we go. I'm gonna take this off. Okay, let's see. We're gonna line up. I don't know if you can see right here, but we need to line it up with these pieces right here. If you can see, hopefully you can. There we go. So I need to put this piece and tighten it. Okay, that's secure. Now let's put this blade on. There we go. There we go. And let's see, I think this just snaps. Doing construction outside, so it's bringing a lot of sand in the house. Let's see how, I didn't read the instructions. Alright, so there we go. Seems pretty simple. And now let's so now let's put the leg on. We're going to unscrew here. There we go. Tighten that up there. All right, let's see, do we work? That was simple enough. It's not hard. There we go. So this is our Lifesmart fan, replacing the other one that got hit by lightning the other day. So perfect. Thank you guys for watching.